right, YouTube. It's been a very long time since I've been talking to y'all. How y'all doing today? It's Hunter. Welcome back to another random video. As y'all can see, I'm at the airport right now because I just landed in my new home. And right now we're gonna go pick up the rental and we're gonna get everything established and set up and ready to go. The reason why I came to a new city is because I needed an environment change, long overdue. We did a red-eye flight, all that fun jazz stuff. But yeah, pretty much I'm gonna go get the car real quick and try to see if I can check into the hotel, try to get settled, and then figure it out from there. So y'all, so it's been some time. Y'all saw me at the airport earlier, but we are here in the Tezzy. We got a money order for the prorated rent for our new official studio spot that we're getting tomorrow. Right now I'm actually gonna head to a restaurant called Kona to get some lunch real quick, and hopefully the hotel should be, or I mean the room should be ready by then. I did attempt to do an early check-in and they were nice enough to take my luggage, which usually most hotels do for free, especially when you come in early. So it's like, hopefully, you know, they hopefully they have the room already ready to go. But yeah, no, this is not no vacation this time, y'all. This is actually me permanently here for good. No joke, no bullshit. It's gonna be different right now. It's gonna take me a little bit to get used to the fact that this is my new home from now on. Like, I gotta buy everything new, man. I gotta buy a new bed, new desk. I definitely want to upgrade all the old shit that I have. But like I said, y'all, this whole series, this whole documentary is, one, reviving my YouTube channel, and two, to document me paying off my credit card debt and turning my whole entire life around, mentally, physically, financially, and spiritually. All those four things, you know what I mean? Is it gonna happen overnight? No, absolutely not. It's gonna take time, but you know, it's okay. So we're here at Kona Grill. You know, I'm from Hawaii, so this is like hollow-fied freaking Hawaiian food to me, but you know what? This is I'm pretty sure in the East Coast is what they think of it being good. So anyways, enough with the yapping. I'm gonna go park and we'll continue on this little beautiful vlog, and I'm definitely gonna upload this shit on YouTube. So bro, I'm not gonna lie, ever since I came here to Tampa, dude, this is like, literally, this reminds me of like a hybrid of San Diego and like something else. But anyways, enough with the yapping. I'm gonna go park up and get something to eat. All right, so we are back out right now in the whip. So earlier, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little irritated because I went to a supercharger and there's a guy reversing. I was like, okay, cool, I'll just reverse, you know, like I'll wait for him. And then as he's reversing, I'm reversing too at the same time, but I didn't hit his car. I pull up and he rolls down and he starts yelling. And then I'm just like rolling down, I'm like, what? I was like, what is he saying? And then he just starts yelling at me like, bro, he was like, I know you're new at this, but like, what are you doing? Blah, blah, blah. And I was like, what the fuck, bro? Why are you being a dickhead? So he was being a complete asshole, in my opinion, the way he was acting towards me because of a supercharger. So now I'm over here trying to find a supercharger around this time, around like 4:46. I like the Tesla, y'all. The only thing I don't like is like the fact that that when you have to go find a supercharger to charge your car, because right now I'm at 58%. I'm burning battery just trying to find a supercharger that's not packed. That's the only thing I don't like about the Tesla, is like the superchargers are very limited and it's like a hit or miss. And it's like you can secure one or not, or you're gonna have to wait for a minute until somebody's done. So yeah, I'm still on the hunt. Hopefully we can find one that's open, bro. That's what I'm hoping for that. Hold on, I'm just cruising around, y'all. Just trying to make sure I focus on the road. But yeah, earlier, dude, come on, man. I just moved here and you're already like, I already encountered basically my first asshole here. So yeah, other than that negative thing happening, the day is still fully positive. We're still gonna go hit the car wash after finding a freaking supercharger to fill this damn car, and then after that, washing the car, then we finally go scout our new neighborhood and all that shit. So I'm gonna combine this into a whole video of us log in, doing the process and shit. This is not no vacation. This is just us like trying to get shit together. So anyways, let's do this. So update. We finally found a charger where there isn't a hostile freaking EV driver. Okay, we're getting it charged right now. As y'all can see, I'm making this whole entire vlog thing just an automatic comeback to the YouTube channel, you know what I'm saying? But we try over here charging up the car and shit. And wait, that looks like the, whoa, that looks like that one, that Tesla looks like the rental I used. Interesting. It might be because the license plate I recognize. But anyways, yeah. We here, you know what I'm saying? It's not that packed, not that bad. Finally found a charger. Next thing we're gonna do is wash this car. Because the host told me that he has to subscribe to a certain car wash company. And they basically get it for free. So I don't have to pay nothing. All I got to do is just, you know what I mean? Get this shit for free. So let's see when I pull up after this. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, enough with the yapping. I'm gonna get back to charging this shit, find a car wash, vlog that part, and then go get some essentials, and then probably head back to the room. And yeah, that's about it, bro. That's about it. That's all I have to think of for today. I mean, today was a pretty adventurous day, but we got a lot of stuff done, type shit. Other than that, yeah, enough with the yapping. Let's continue on with the day. After a vigorous long drive and adventure, we made it to a mod car wash over here, okay? So shouts out to the host. I'm doing the host a favor by cleaning up his car right here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just want to show this part of the vlog. Look at this. We doing this shit in the Tesla. Bro, we doing this shit in the Tesla, y'all. We getting this baby washed up. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna change the air freshener because I can't smell shit right now. But the lady was nice enough to give me another air freshener for free, so I was like, cool. So I'm gonna try backing up this. I think, chat, look, I just discovered that there's a little sun visor. I think that's this sun visor, which I'm probably gonna use, especially in this Florida humidity and shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, y'all, today's a great day. It's exciting. You know what I'm saying? After this, we're gonna wash the car. We're actually gonna drive to my neighborhood and go finally check out where I'm living headquarters and shit like that. This vlog's gonna be lit, y'all. When I get back and try to combine the vlog, make a video out of it, boom, upload this shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, so we have officially made it. Peep the Tessie, by the way. We got this baby washed. Peep it, peep it. But we are parked up in the apartment complex that I am officially going to be staying at. It's this white building right behind me here. Obviously the leasing office is closed and I don't start my official lease till tomorrow, and my appointment's at 11:30. So right after I check out of the hotel, we're pretty much going to be moving our base here. You know what I'm saying? We got a studio 2 months free, but the lease is 15 months, which is the trade-off, which is okay, but we'll make it work. Yeah, this is my new neighborhood, y'all. So taking it all in and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna be here tomorrow, filling out the paperwork and all that, giving her the check, the money check, and then yeah, other than that, let's continue on with the day. Y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed that sporadic vlog that we had. Like I said, I am doing my best to get into the rhythm of making YouTube content again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. It was a lot of moving parts, but tomorrow is the big day. That's when we officially secure the keys to our crib, and our car, my actual car, not the rental that not the Tesla, should be there tomorrow as well. So yeah, this move so far has been pretty smooth. I did a financial audit with the chat, with my, AI assistant, because we live in times like this right now where we got all kinds of tools at our fingertips to actually improve our life. So if it wasn't for the suggestions and for the stuff that, Gemini was showing me what to do and telling me what to do, I wouldn't have made this move. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Enough with the yapping, and I'm gonna call it a night and see you guys tomorrow if I do vlog tomorrow.